Welcome back, each and everyone, to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope you all doing fine because I'm doing wonderful. Today is a planting day and I'm so excited. I dig, I cultivate, I set seed, I plant, I do all kind of stuff today. So today I'm gonna plant some carrots right up there. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. Just give you guys a little update. I know you guys remember the potato that I planted just the other day. Look how they start growing. You see, that's another one right there. All of them almost start growing already. Watch here. So these are updates on the potato that I planted just a few days ago. And look how nice and lovely they already start busting up. Watch it again. Yes guys, that's why I'm telling you all, plant your stuff early if you have good weather. Because the earlier you plant is better for you. Okay? Don't know if you guys can remember these pepper that I planted a few days ago. They last through the winter, guys. That cold weather, they last through that cold weather. Look how much pepper this one tree have on. You see how much? So I'm very excited. Why I'm so excited? Because I run the risk and I plant these so early. I saw them by the store and I grabbed them up and I plant them, and guess what? I'm almost time to get pepper. So you see the reason for me to planting things early. This one is catching back itself, have a lot of blossom. So it's doing pretty good. This one, same thing, beautiful, lot of peppers. All of them have on peppers. So I ain't worried about them dying anymore because the weather is getting better and we're hitting spring. So guess what? I'm gonna start to harvest pepper real early. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be harvesting pepper from now till November from these 6 plants. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I want to show you guys that I know exactly what I'm talking about. That's why I show update about my garden and other things so you guys could see this. He know what he talking about. Okay? I mean, these collard green coming along pretty decent, you know what I'm saying? I now plant these 2 potatoes. They grow up in the garden. They grow up, I guess, from last harvest I leave a few seeds. So now they're shooting up. So now I can take them and plant them. Yes, guys, everything is looking good. Everything coming along real decent. This is a bed I now dig. I'm getting ready to plant maybe some pepper there. I have some banana pepper I want to plant on this bed. Just a quick update with the plant, guys. These are spinach coming along pretty well. Hoping to see they grow up big and start bearing. These are the kales. Oh man, these kales are getting big and beautiful, guys. Kales looking nice. You see, that's why I plant my stuff all, because I want to harvest all year, not just few months and then the cold weather come and kill everything. These are collard greens. In a month time I'll be eating collard greens from here. Cabbage. All this is collard greens right here. Look how they're growing nice. You know, and they're already showing signs of growing, which is a good thing for me. So it's just a quick update, guys, showing you the garden. You know, everything looking nice. All these is cabbage coming along beautiful. So we ain't even in we now hitting the spring and my garden looking decent already. So that's the reason I like to plant early so I could start harvesting as early as possible. This is collard greens and some kale over here. Look how beautiful they're looking, guys. Real nice. These are my onions. They start shooting up. They start looking beautiful. Yes, guys. These are my lettuce. Maybe in a week or two, I'll be eating them. So I got to get some seed and plant some more. I mean, everything is looking nice. Watch. These are some chocolate mint. I don't know if you see them, but this area, they just take up this whole area. So soon we're gonna see a lot of chocolate mint. I also have the sweet mint. Look at right here. Oh man, that's a sweet mint. Soon you will see so many mint around here. So all I'll be drinking after my hot water challenge is just minty. Okay guys, these are my, I don't know if you see that beautiful butterfly. It loves me. It's all around me all day. That butterfly around me all day. But anyhow guys, these are my beautiful pepper that I transplant the other day. You guys see how they're standing nice? Look how beautiful they're standing. And I plant them real small. I now wet them so they're looking nice. I already give them a little manure. My manure that I get from out the tree. I already sprinkle some around them. Look how beautiful. In a week or two, you ain't gonna believe these are the pepper that I plant. Look, some up here too. So everything looking nice, guys. This garden will looking so beautiful. In a few weeks, you guys will want to know, wow. The butterfly, it's around me all day. And I know butterfly bring love. I know butterfly bring messages. Look how beautiful. All day around me. I don't know. Maybe it have a message for bring it to me. A purple butterfly. All day this butterfly around me, guys. All day. How you doing? Anyhow, guys, that's just the butterfly. So this is for now. My garden start planting up. I'm getting the garden spread out. Everything looking beautiful. So guess what? Let's go and plant this whole bed. I plant potato on this whole bed. On this whole bed, I plant potato. I ain't show you guys, but I plant potato on this whole bed. So guys, let's get into it. Let's plant some carrots. Let's plant some carrots. Man, I want to put this camera somewhere that I don't have to be walking around. Yeah, but these are the carrots I'm planting today. Okay. Where did I put that piece? Okay, bear with me for a minute, guys. And here, I already made this bed as well. You know, I plant these potatoes today. Yes, guys, so the garden start getting bigger and bigger. And I did not spend $30. You know? And the reason why I spend money is because I wanted an early garden so I can harvest a lot for the year. So that's why I spend that amount. Usually I set my own seed. As you can see, down there where I plant all that, that's my seed right there. Okay? All right, so I really want to do this, but I really want to put it somewhere that you guys can okay. guys. Garden is coming along pretty well. And this is just the beginning of spring. Right. So you're gonna watch me plant. You mightn't hear what I'm saying, but at least you could see what I'm doing. How you guys doing? You guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have fun. So this is my beautiful carrots I now plant. Yes guys, this is a beautiful planting day. The sun is going down, so now is the best time. So I plant carrots, I plant potato, and I'm getting ready to plant some banana pepper. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share.